Hundreds of motorcycles flooded the streets of Serbia on their way to the Adventist Motorcycle Ministry Bike Festival. This event brought together bikers from all over Europe. Adventists offered the crowd food, books, and health checks, all for free. Musicians provided live music on stage as people lined up at a booth nearby to donate blood. The Adventist Motorcycle Ministry team is implementing Christ's method of ministry by connecting with people who have similar interests and mingling with them, creating an opening for attendees to learn about Jesus.
An event like this is important because many different people from many different cities or many different countries can come and be together. They can learn from each other, they can get along, and they can have a good time together.
People gathered to talk and admire each other's bikes. The quality time allowed new friendships to develop and deeper conversations to take place.
Reactions of people is really wonderful. In this motorbike fest, you can see people who want to help you, people who want to be friends with you and who want to speak with you, and we want to reach people for Jesus during these things.
More than 400 books from the Serbian Adventist Publishing House were distributed. One of the most popular was Steps to Christ.
Every heart who will came, every soul who will came, and every soul who will read Step to Christ, I think can feel Jesus in his or her heart.
We can teach them it's another way, a better way to be with God, to be near God, and to have a different life, a better life.
This event piqued Zelimir's interest because it was different from other motorcycle festivals he'd attended. After 62 consecutive days of riding and attending motorcycle events, Zelimir made sure to end his journey here. He expressed great appreciation for the unique programs and people.
I hope more events like this continue, and that we can have friendship together and ride together.
After seeing the turnout for this festival, the Adventist Motorcycle Ministry team was encouraged to do even more.
My heart is full because a lot of people came. We want to reach people for Jesus, that people can see that someone can live different, without drugs, without alcohol, without immoral, and that heart will be full of Jesus and expect Jesus like his or her Savior.
God has a plan for each person who attended this event. Please pray for the Adventist Motorcycle Ministry in Serbia. Pray that people will come to know Jesus as a result of this creative ministry. Thank you for supporting Mission.